In this video, you will learn how to create a Facebook account. Open a web browser like Google Chrome or Internet Explorer. Go to www.facebook.com. Facebook. Facebook helps you connect and share with the people in your life. At the bottom of the page, you can select your preferred language. Click on Create New Account. Sign up. It's quick and easy. Fill in your personal information like first name, surname, mobile number or email address, re-enter your email address. New password, date of birth, and gender. Click on Sign up. Enter the code from your email. Get the code in your email. Enter the code from your email. And click on Continue. Account confirmed. You have successfully confirmed your account with the email address. You will use this email address to log in. Click on OK. Welcome to Facebook. Congratulations! Now you know how to create a Facebook account. Thank you for watching, and it really helps me if you give this video a like and a comment to show your appreciation, so I will make more videos.